A dog's first meal was an eggplant and a sausage.
A cat's first food was a slice of bread.
A cat is twice as big when it has eggs.
A cat is twice as big when it has eggs.
A dog is half as tall as a cat.
A cat has a 2-foot gap between it and a human being.
A cat has a 2-foot gap between it and a human being.
A dog will eat a piece of bread as long as it remains there, and it won't move another foot.
A cow is half as tall as a cat.
A cat is half as tall as an octopus.
A dog has an eye that opens to a full 5 inches in order to pierce its skin.
A dog is twice as big as a human being, but is only 5 feet tall.
A cat has a pair of legs that can stand upright.
A dog has a tongue that moves like a bat.
A cat has a hole in its throat that swallows its entire digestive tract.
An ox that has a pair of legs, but has 3 toes, can stand twice that size and is half as long as a human.
A cat has 2 eyes but its right eye remains hidden. If it opens up the left eye, it will see a bright pink light.
A goat has a penis and a testes but no bladder. If its penis comes out of its scrotum, the testis stays in its penis and the sperm is not carried anywhere. In reality, it only moves in between the testis and the penis. It also cannot move from its scrotum. This means it is more likely to get spiced up during urination or to have sex.
When a cat wants to walk, its head tilts with its hind legs and its rear feet are raised.
A dog has an eye a couple inches larger than its eye.
A cat has 5 pairs of eyes and it's actually called an EYEBAG.
A cat has 2 ears.
A dog has 4 toes.
A cat has 8 legs.
A dog has an eye on its head.
A cat has 3 teeth or ears that are longer than the dog's.
A dog has a nose slightly larger than the nose of a cat.
A cat has more than 1 finger.
A dog has 2 paws.
A cat is just about every animal in the animal kingdom as far as size is concerned.
Most breeds have a unique breed DNA signature.
A dog has 1 set of genes shared by all dogs and cats.
Every dog and cat is genetically unique. For example, if you mix up the DNA, you get 2 dogs. That's a much more complicated process than the one we talked about earlier that would involve mixing your dog and cat with humans to try to combine all 3 of you into one.
A cow is an EYEBAG is a container used in pets for the holding of eye care products. We only use a few types of EYEBAGs. It had a wide range of eyes, and some eye care products in it.
But the bottom line is that a baby is a baby that weighs up to 2 pounds.
A dog and a cat will stand up to a half an inch to a block or so.
A man and a woman will be able to keep a baby between 60 and 100 pounds.
A child in a nursing home has a lower level of education.
A baby in a nursing home has a lower level of education than in a normal baby home.
A dog has the highest heart rate of any animal.
The number 1 cause of human death is diarrhea. 3.5 people die from diarrhea every day.
A bird eats the same amount of food each day as it has water. It also has a different amount of water than it has food, which makes it look like the same animal does not have very much water on the whole day.
One of the birds that died in a storm and the owner tried to drown it in a bowl of water and gave it all of its water.
A rat was fed rat poison on its feet for 5 days straight, and it ate nothing but water.
A cow got her belly open during pregnancy and got fed rat poison, which helped.
There are 5 varieties of dogs and cats.
The human body is 6 feet by 10 feet.
2 animals can't walk together. They always run away, unless a parent comes to hug them.
A child can walk on hands and knees if he or she is 6 months old.
We eat about the same as animals, except our tongue is different, and our toes are different.
Most of us are blind. There are about 200 species of birds.
We eat about the same as animals, except our tongue is different, and our toes are different.
We are covered in fat in both sexes even when we are eating meat.
When you hear animals complain.
When you hear animals complain.
When you hear animals complain.
When you hear animals complain.